Electric transport is a modern and eco-friendly type of transport. For motion, it uses electric motors powered from external overhead wire, and most types of electric transport, trolleys and electric trains, use a special appliance that is pantograph. Most of us call it just horns. Few of us think about how they are designed, but let's consider it in details. Collector or pantograph is an appliance that collects current from overhead wire. As overhead conductors are placed over, electromotive pantograph is placed as a rule on its top. A pantograph is intended for providing a reliable contact with airway. Therefore, construction of lift frames that make it possible to lift and lower contact strips and provide good coupling with conductors is of great importance. Most often we can see a construction of two lift frames, and on the upper frame there is a movable carriage is placed to which a skid with contact strips. Part of a collector that directly touches conductors is fastened. Strips are made of coal and ceramic metal slabs. The lower collector frame is rigidly fastened on the top and reliably isolated from it, whereas all parts of the pantograph are alive. It's very important that during working contact, plates always touch conductors independently on speed and road or railway quality. We should pay special attention to it because under contact breaks, motor power becomes unstable, and moreover high voltages can cause an electric arc. Current discharge in gas between skid and conductor. We can often observe such discharge when conductors of trolley overhead wire are covered with ice. A skid comes across pieces of ice. Contact becomes lost for a minute, and it causes disruptive discharge. Bright flashes and crack in humid air. When current drainage, extremely high powerful electromotives are equipped, for example with several pantographs, but they are used depending on load, when it's necessary. By speed up, all collectors are lifted and then part of them is switched off depending on the situation. If a transport consists of several sections, a commuter train for example, we don't need a collector for each carriage because all train is united with HV tire. Electric train speed has been significantly increased recently. Chinese and European lines with trains having speed of more than 200 km per hour are well known. Pantographs are used there too, but more complicated in providing the maximum reliable contact under such precipitate movement. Finally, we should notice that a drawing machine has the same name, pantograph. A collector got its name because of appearance similarity with this machine.